matter be put on the agenda at this time. Of course, I've had this sort of subject matter on the agenda many different times since I assumed office in January of 2007. It seems to me that the community at large and the county commission has reached a point in which the eminent domain of the Sharp Farm must be taken off the table. This commission began a number of years ago with eminent domain of the Sharp Farm clearly as option number one for this Snowshoe Slady Fork Sewer Project. And with the action of the community, the tireless efforts and expenditures of the Sharp family, the press, numerous lawsuits, actions from the governor, statements from Mr. Helmut, national press, the matter has come to a boiling point. And I sense that it's time to relieve the Sharp family from further anxiety and burden in this matter, and that they should be able to leave this courthouse today knowing that the county commission would direct the public service district to take eminent domain off the table. Now, I spoke with Mr. Michael about this subject matter Thursday of last week, and he told me that although many efforts are being made to find another location, and I applaud the Public Service District for that, however, he did say that eminent domain was still on the table as of last Thursday. I feel it's time now to take it off of the table and to move forward. I must say that the issue of eminent domain had as a byproduct many positive features because it mobilized the community. It asked many, many alternative questions which had laid dormant and which had never been asked about the project in its entirety. It had the stakeholders come forward. It had a strong wave of discussion and community participation. It energized everyone. But now we've reached a point where it's just not an option. And eminent domain, to my mind, is a political decision. It's not an engineering decision. It's a political decision. It's a decision of the community to say to itself, are we going to exercise eminent domain for this project or not? That's a political choice. It's not an engineering choice. So it's not a public service district choice. It's a county commission choice. It's a choice of the community. I believe that the public service district feels that eminent domain is the hottest poker in the fire right now and doesn't want to get near it. I think we need to just get rid of it, and then we can sit down and talk about all of the other issues which have been raised and finally come at the end of the day to a workable solution for this very difficult problem, which is what are we going to do about water and sewer problems in this part of the county, and how are we going to address them? I think by the commission coming forward at this point, it would go a long way to doing that. And so that would be my motion. I would like the commission to make a resolution to say that in this project, the Sharp Farm is off the table. No matter what, it's off the table. It's not worth it. It's off the table. It's not what we as a community want to do.
Do you have a specific wording for your resolution in this, other than just against the use of eminent domain on the Sharp Farm?
I hadn't articulated an exact wording, but the wording would be to the effect that the Pocahontas County Commission resolves that that there shall be no use of eminent domain of the Sharp Farm for the Snowshoe Slady Fork Sewer Project.
Did you say on the Sharp Farm?
Eminent of the Sharp Farm.
There shall be no use of eminent domain on the Sharp Farm for the use of
the Sharp Farm for the Snowshoe Slady Fork
Sewer Project, and further that the Pocahontas County Commission.
Wait. This is important. Further, that what?
That the Pocahontas County Commission directs the Public Service District, its created board, to go forward with the Snowshoe Slady Fork Sewer Project, abiding by the Commission's resolution, and to report back to us that they concur in that.
And